The first thing that you might want to do is to go to Google and search what is a currency pair, which I assume you already did.
Okay.
Google will then show you that it is a quotation of two currencies. The first one is the base currency and the second one is the quote currency. They work hand in hand together and they are called a currency pair. A currency pair compares the value of the first currency to the second one, and it shows you how much of the first currency you need to buy the second one. This is a currency pair. This is a typical example of how the currency pairs are written. The first one, which is the euro, being the base, and the second one, which is USD, being the quote currency. The price next to the pair shows you that 1 euro will trade for 1.305 US dollars. When you sign into your LUNO exchange platform, to the top left corner, you're gonna see your currency pairs listed sequentially one after the other. The first currency pair is BCH per BTC, LTC per BTC, LTC per ZAR. All the others follow one after the other. The order in which all the currency pairs are listed here doesn't matter because in every trading platform they are in a randomized manner. These are average prices of the currency pairs, and this is the performance or the 24-hour change of all currency pairs. And that is what we call currency pairs in the forex market. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again next time.